It is now 2 a.m. in the morning. National Gear Repair has just received its Warner dual extruder gearbox. We are doing an emergency rush repair on this, manufacturing new gearing, new bearings, new seals, replacing, resetting bearing floats and preloads. We are specialists when it comes to German and Italian extruders. Thanks again for watching. And thank you again for taking the time to watch our videos here at National Gear Repair. This here is one of our Warner Pfleiderer gearboxes, excuse the pronunciation. Coperion, now known as Coperion Gearboxes, dual extruder. This was done under emergency rush basis. This was in support for the medical plant for the COVID-19 industry, manufacturing some paper, or rather some plastic products for COVID-19 medical use. As you've seen, we manufactured some new output gearing, resplined them, reset the timing keys at the 9 and 12 o'clock, refurbished all other gearing, replaced all bearings and seals, and did a small preliminary test. National Gear Repair warranties all work for 24 months from date of startup. And National Gear Repair offers a free freight and free quotes nationwide. This box was received less than 48 hours ago back, and we're now waiting for a hotshot service transportation team to get this to its destination. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.